Good morning, guys. Bohol Island, Philippines, off-grid island family. My obuntag, everyone. Where's Ray? What is it, Vincent? Vincent, what is that? A truck? Huh? Cement truck? Well, kind of. It's hauling cement, yeah. Morning, my obuntag. So I guess Ray's already on it. Oh yeah, my obuntag. Well, you're the boss. This is your world, yeah? Wherever you think it's best. Yeah, I think you're right. So first they do the cement here. Yeah. Rebar here probably too. Yeah. Rebar here maybe.
Yeah. And the side is
down there on the neighbor's side, right? Other neighbor. Yeah. Okay. Well, it looks like you. Yeah. We talked yesterday about today you do a half day. It looks. Yeah. Although, what time is it now?
I don't know. Maybe 9.
So maybe not half. Or when do you start? You want to start after lunch? Ah, okay. That's fine.
Oh, did it? Where you from?
Huh?
Where you from?
USA.
USA?
Yeah. And you from Carmen, Bohol?
Pilar.
Huh?
Pilar.
Ah, yeah, I know.
Pilar.
Oh, yeah, okay.
California?
Huh?
You're in California?
North. Oregon. Yeah. Oh. I don't think they have the gravel on this trip. Maybe it's under the sand, cement. Not gravel, sand. 2 square meters of sand should be under the cement bags, I'm guessing. We already still have lots of hollow block. Ray, I'm pretty busy. Here, this is for them, a tip. Yeah, there's 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So just give that to them after. Yeah, thanks. That's why that truck. Better, yeah? Yeah. Not as far. Little boss. Mini boss. Mini boss. What you doing, baby? Huh? Not really. Well, yeah, I guess. They dumped it. Salamat kayo, thank you. Wow, he sits there? Interesting. Is that a seat or just... Yikes. Ay, ay, ay. More driveway damage.
No problem because I will put the floor here.
Yeah, and fill the middle there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Just to there, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
I repair. I will finish all materials put here. I will finish here. Then I will repair the road.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. No more truck, all done. There's Ray in the blue. They're recommencing. They're continuing with the fence building. I don't know why they're going way over there, but I'm not going to ask Ray too many more stupid questions. Every time I ask a stupid question, he gives me a pretty reasonable answer. So, anyhow, but they've dug the line. It goes all the way up there. Sorry, I don't know if that was fuzzy before. I realized my lens was a bit dirty. Anyway, there's Ray in the blue. They're going to bend rebar. I'm gonna get closer, hold on. So yeah, off-grid. So the internet comes from the antenna there, so we're not connected that way. Solar panels, I'd like to get at least 3 more, and then eventually more on those roofs over there, and then do a second system on that side. So have 2 separate systems for redundancy. These are going to be replaced by a 1,000-liter tank, like the one that's there, and then it will be shrouded in hardy flex to keep the sun from growing algae inside. And then this stand will probably just shorten the legs, because that'll drop down about 2 feet there, and then we'll have 1,000 liters instead of, that's 400 there. So you're bending rebar now, is that what it is?
Yeah. The rebar.
Okay.
I borrow your the grinder, cut the rebar.
Yeah, well, yeah, of course. Yep. And you can use the water from the swimming pool for the cement, and then I'll replace it from the water tank. Yeah. That way because that's a bit dirty and you can use it. Not a super interesting topic, guys, but good morning, Mira. You didn't say good morning.
Good morning.
There we go. Amira got, what was it?
Chocolate?
No. Yeah, you did get chocolate, but why? Why did you get chocolate?
Because I have very well.
Because you what?
I have them with them.
Yeah, what were the 2 certificates you got? One was
Brave.
Brave Soul,
Yeah.
something, and the other was Determined, or something?
Determined kid.
Huh?
Determined kid.
Determined Kid, that's what it was. Okay, good, awesome, great job. Anyway, so these, yeah, Jaja found this online. So the chassis, all this is the same as all the ones they sell everywhere. But this burner is super efficient. It's incredible. Before, to do my coffee, I would have the burner basically on full. And now I have it just where it's on, because it's this whole area. Well, anyway, you get the idea by looking at it. I don't need to talk anymore. Anywho, if you're looking for one of these and you live out here in the Philippines or Southeast Asia looking for a stovetop, these burners make all the difference. Titoy, how's your head? Huh? Pad Thai? No? Okay.
Well over? No, I did.
Someone had a little gin left. 2 bottles only? Ah, that's not too bad. Okay. With your friends?
Pang slip.
Yeah. What time? Pang sleep.
9.
9? Okay.
Isak mo nila. Ako na.
So, yeah, we shaved it pretty close here to the front door. But, as we plan on turning this whole thing into one single unit, this door will eventually be no longer used, and we're going to put a door. Let me show you here. So this will have a gate here, a double door gate. This will be closed in between the little house there and this little house. So this will be closed in with a hollow block and a proper front door right here. This will be the front door. Right between the two. You walk in here, this will all be cemented and tiled and nice. And then on the left side of the left corner here is where the front door will, well, not front door, the bedroom door will be, because that will be just a bedroom then. This is going to be another bedroom, obviously. And then out here will be the second complex. But it's all going to be tied in together and closed in, so no more chickens running around the house. And this will be the front yard. Over that half will be parking, maybe 40% actually. 40% of that end will be parking, and the rest will be garden area with table and chairs. Do some solar lights on top of the fence. The chicken coop will go out back, and this will be all grass. And then, yeah, so no animals in here. All the animals will be back there. Good morning.
Good morning.
I like your little setup now. Jaja's got her new fan, her new Gucci couch, 3 new kittens. Well, actually, 2 kittens we already had, but we got a third one yesterday from somewhere. Mira found it, and then Jaja picked out these flowers, curtains. So she's got her little nest here now. Huh, babe?
Yes.
You got your little nest, huh? And then a dozen roses. So I installed this one myself, but it's broken from the kids hanging on the thing when it was locked, and they broke it. So we're doing a round one this time that they can't hang on. But I decided, as we need one for the bathroom door, I'm probably not going to be able to get around to it for a while, so I'm just going to pay a pro to do it. He's a professional door guy. So you need a pencil?
Yeah.
Okay. And the funny thing is, he asked me, he was about to hop on his motorcycle and said, oh wait, we have no electricity. I said, I do. He said, really? Because it's brown out. I said, yes, but I have solar. So that's kind of cool. So because of solar, we get doorknobs today. Yeah, it's pretty cool. They're making good progress here. But it's going to be tight at the front door, but oh well, it is what it is. Power? You have power?
Yeah.
Corriente? Oh yeah, good. Corriente, right. Like Korean tea, Korean tea. Electricity. Yeah, so thanks to those panels up there, you get doorknob. That'll be nice, huh, babe? Having a doorknob on the bathroom? Sleepy? Just woke up. Little nap time, huh? Yeah, it was a bad move on this door handle here. The kids, when it's locked, the kids hang from it. And it just, I mean, eventually it's going to break. So might as well just do it now. And I already have this. So. Well, that's a spoiled puppy. Miss Little Lexi Spa, huh? Little vacation resort, huh? Yeah, he's much faster than I am, that's for sure. I think I would have pulled that in just a hair. Well, I guess that's about as far as that goes. Why does it do like that? Oh well. Anyway. Cool. Still have to get that 2x2 to finish this. Finish the trimming here.
Lexi is getting cuter like.
How deep? How deep is the too big? How deep? Don't know. English? No.
No.
Voila. 2 meter? 2 meters? 1 meter?
2 meters.
2 meters? Wow. Can you drink it? Drink? The too big? Drink? No.
Pa-ansay nga ng...
Hindi. Ito naman. Holiday. Holiday siopaw. Karapan na holiday oh.
Yum yum? You like it?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh boy. Alright, so this guy's been schooling me for 4 games now. Yeah. And we have a 15 peso bet going on. So this game is worth 30 pesos right now. So it's pretty much end of the century type of thing.
Absolutely.
Great job.
Great job.